Now everyone, look at in front. Now we go to the multiplication of time. Multiplication of time, that means, of course, you need to remember timetable. For those who not remember timetable yet, still forgot, you are trouble. Okay. Today, teacher will show you 3 situations of the question. So you look at properly, understand very well, not understand, tell me at the chat box. Okay. The first situation, look at in front. This is the question. Okay. The first question will look like. The question will give you day and hours. Okay. Today, teacher will show you the example between day and hours, one by one. I need to do the shortcut like that. If not, some of you cannot follow. I know some of you can follow. But respect your friend who are still not understand. Okay, so look at here. 2 days, 8 hours. Time, 3. So, for this question, you need to remember table 3. Correct. For those who not remember table 3, you are trouble. So, look at here. One by one, teacher show you. Okay, the first step, as usual, you put day and hours. And then, okay teacher, 2 days. So you do. Alright, 2 days, 8 hours here. So what time you need to time? Multiplication, you need to multiply. You need to multiply with 3. Okay, so now, you put 3 here. And then time. So now everyone, 8 times 3 equal to, last warning. Okay, 8 times 3. For those who remember timetable, you can answer teacher, 24. So, you put 24 here. Good, Firas. And then, 2 times 3 equal to 6. But, P4, you cannot ending your final answer like this. Like I told you, you look at back to your notes. Teacher, 1 day equal to 24 hours, right? So you look at to your hours. You can convert this one. Bring to the days. So, like we learned before this, during addition, you convert. How you convert? So teacher, I take. Good job. Hi Shabidurani. You minus 24 here, but 24 equal to 1 day. So, when you minus 24, that means you bring 1 day here. So now, 4 minus 4 is nothing, 2 minus 2 is nothing, 6 plus 1 is a 7. Good job for those who answer 7 day already at the chat box. That means you already understand how to convert, bring. For those who did not reply me anything at the chat box, hi Iman Farihin. Okay, don't write here Iman Farihin, you waste your time, write on your books. Okay, can I proceed? Okay, because the question asks you how many days. You look at to the answer. Answer days. So days lah. Answer in days. 7 days. Okay, Raina. Okay, Ratu. Understand? Okay, Firas. Alright. Okay, now. If you say you understand, yes, good job. Who's that? Ali. Your days don't have S. 7. Many. 7 days. Good job. Okay, now. If you understand, answer this. Good, Iman. Iman, look at your days. D-A-Y-S-E-A-S. Sorry, D-A-Y-S. So, now everyone, look at to the second situation here. Do. Now, you need to arrange properly. This one between day, they give you 3 days. Answer this one now. 3 days, 6 hours. So, teacher, I arrange 3 days, 6 hours. And then you need to time with 9. How many of you still don't know how to use the finger for table 9? 29 days, 6 hours. Is it your friend answer correct? Okay. So everyone use the table 9, use the finger. No need to think. Use the finger, remember. Okay. 6 times 9. So you use the finger, you close your finger number 6. So the answer is 54. So teacher, I get 54 hours. Not finished yet. Now 3 times 9. You use your finger, you close your finger number 3. Then you get 27. Akif Alihin also get 29 days, 6 hours, same with Irshad. But we don't know yet your answer is correct or not. So, now look at here. P4. Dean, also 29 days, 6 hours. The same. Same answer. Okay, now everyone, you get 27. Alright, I'm trust you. 27 days, 54 hours. You cannot ending your answer like this. Like I told you. 54 hours more than 24. So P4, good. Who still write the notes? Look at. So teacher, 54 hours. You look at to your formula here. I can bring how many hours to convert into days? Okay. So now you look at teacher, 54. So I can take 48. Because 48 less than 54. Then that means 48 equal to 2 days. So, teacher, I bring 48 here. I minus here. Then I bring 2 days here. Why? Because 48 is equal to 2 days. Why? Why you ask me like that, Ishad? Okay. Now, of course lah. Okay, now 54 minus 48. Okay. Now everyone minus. 4 minus 8 cannot. And then you borrow from 5, it becomes 4. And then you bring 1 here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 8 equal to 6. 4 minus 4, nothing. And then 27 you plus with the 2 days that you convert from 48 hours. So, 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 here. Good job. Very good. How many of you answer here correct? So, 29th day, 6 hours. Okay? So, very good. Who are not mute there? Everyone, look at here. 29th day, 6 hours. Just focus to my lesson, please. If not, you will not understand at the end. Then you answer wrong, wrong, and wrong. Okay. Very good, Afif Ulwan. For those who answer correct, very good. Don't talk about anything without only about mathematics. Okay, now. Okay, so now it's up to you what you want to do. But the most important is you remember and you listen what I want to say in front. Okay, now everyone, 29 days, 6 hours. Understand or not? Sophie, Ratu, Raina, Amelie, understand or not? Because only the boys check at the chat box here. The girls, where are you? Okay, it's up to you. As long you understand me. Okay, now everyone, try to this question. It's between day and hours also. So you arrange properly. Do it now. Stop talking at the chat box. Answer me. Just go, Arif Shakir. I told you already. Isha answer 1 day 3 hours. Anyone? Aidan Shafi also 1 day 3 hours. Before I show you the answer. Who are not mute? Answer me. Syahmi Aryan 1 day 3 hours. First, you arrange teacher 3 hours here. And then time is 9. Okay, teacher trust you. How you get like that? 1 day 3 hours. Azahat also. Good. Akif Alihin, alright. 1 day 3 hours. Okay, Shahan, very good. Okay, now. for those who not tell me the answer at the chat box, so you look at here, Aisha Umaira, okay, good. 9 times 3, now you use table 9 again. So teacher, I use my finger, I close my finger, number 3. Then I get 27. Okay, P4, listen eh. If the question asks you day, hours, you just answer 27 hours. But if the question asks you in day and hours, you look at to your hours. Teacher, my hours is more than 24. Okay, good. Teacher trust you. Okay, so teacher, I can take 24 hours. I convert into 1 day. I bring to the day. Yes, good. So you minus 24 here. And then you plus 1 here. Okay, good. So now, 27, this is minus, okay? 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2, nothing. 1 day. So, good job for those who answer 1 day. No S. And then 3 hours. Good, very good. Huh? A little bit hard, easy lah. You just convert. If the hours more than 24, you look at how many I can take from hours for me to convert into days. Okay? The most important, you know this one. Alright, so very good for those who give me the answer at the chat box. Let me check. 1 day, 3 hours. Okay, good. Everyone, 1 day, 3 hours, 3 hours. 1 day, 3 hours. Okay, good. Okay. You say easy. Okay, now, look at here. Try this one. Good, Shahan. Good, Ali Zidan. Good. Okay. Do this one. If you understand, do this one. Alright, everyone. Give me your answer. Amirul, do it. Arrange properly. Okay, teacher. 7 times 5 hours. So, I put 5 hours here. Because this is hours, teacher. Then, I need to time with 7. Okay. Your friend answer 1 day. 11 hours. 11 hours. Ashraf, Aida, Nishat. The rest? Akif, Ali, Hindia, Danisha. Okay. Aisyah, Umaira, Sophie. Okay, so Asma also same. Okay, teacher trust you. If you said you not copy. So after this in, who are not mute? Who are not mute here? Let me check. Uwais Akorni, you just enter the class ke? You not mute. Okay, so look at here. Good job for those who answer here. Okay, now 7 times 5 is 35. Now, the question want to you to answer in days and hours. Amin. Stop talking like that. If not, teacher remove you. Okay? Don't say the bad word here. Later your friend will follow. Okay. So now, everyone look at 7 times 5 is 35. So, teacher, how many I can take from? Yalah. I trust you. You not copy. Okay, enough. Okay. 7 times 5 is 35. So, you need to bring how many from 35 to bring to the day? Okay, teacher, I can take 24 hours. Okay, now you minus 24 here. Ya Allah. Last warning I counted 3. 1, 2, 3. Enough. Okay, focus in front. Now, you already 7 times 5, you get 35. And after that, after 35, you said, teacher, I can take from hours to bring to the day. So now, 1 day equal to 24. Yes, Afif Ulwan, good. So, teacher, I bring 24 here, I convert to 1 here. 24 equal to 1 day. So now, 35 minus 34 equal to 11. Then you have 1 here. 1 day equal to 11 hours. Good job, people who answer correct. Who are not understand, look at here. Why your friend get like that? Okay, I hope you understand. I don't want your friend disturb you. Okay, so now, if you understand, teacher want to go to the last one, which is, before I go to the next question. Everyone understand how to do? Who are not, tell me at the chat box. Do you understand? Ratu, the girls. Always the boys here, the same person, the same name here. What's Akoni? You understand or not? Amirul? Okay, good. Alright, good. Okay, very good. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35. So you bring 24 from hours, bring to the day, and then this one the balance. Good job. Now, we go to the next, last, which is, if. Alright, thank you. If in exam, the question give you the problem solving, the story, how you want to understand about this? Teacher, the question want me to add, minus, or time. So you look at, the time taken to prepare a pair clothes is 2 days, 11 hours. But the question asks you, state the time taken in day and hour to prepare 4 similar pair of clothes. 1 clothes, 2 days, 11 hours. The question want to know 4 clothes. So, you time because we are learning about the multiplication right now. Isha already answered. We don't know correct or not. So, everyone look at. So, you arrange properly. 2 days, 11 hours. Time 4. Yes, Aidan Shafiq, thank you. Why teacher I need to time 4? Because the question want you to know 4 similar clothes. If 4, how many? Okay, good. So now you time. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Good. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, teacher, when I'm look at to my hours, teacher, my hours is more than 24. Yeah, so how many I can take from hours to bring to the day? Okay, don't finish at this one. If in exam you finish at this, you are wrong. So, good. So, teacher, I take 24 only. I cannot take 48 because it's more than 44. So, I take 24 hours. I convert into 1 day. So, that means, teacher, I minus here. I plus here. So, now, count. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 9 days, 20 hours. Okay, good job. Alright, good. So, alright, very good. For those who say, teacher, this is my answer. I count by myself. Very good. So I'm trust you. Very good. So the final answer 9 days is 20 hours. So everyone, for today, teacher just talk about day and hours. I'm not go to the weeks, months yet. Okay, so let me look at let me see one by one back. For those who join our class late. So the first thing, if you get the question like this, arrange. And then time. Not remember timetable? Please remember. Before already. And then after get the final answer, look your hours. Teacher, my hours more can convert or not to the day. And then if can, convert. Now, this is the second situation. This is same. Okay, second situation, you will get, they give you the hours only and then you time you get 35. And then, but at the end, the question wants you to answer in day and hours. So, you need to convert. Okay, everyone. Okay, stop. Alright, now the last one is about problem solving. Okay, so, before we do the calculation, I want to ask everyone here, 31 minus 2, 29 of you. Are you understand or not? Before we go to the activity. Yes, very good. Alhamdulillah. I don't want you talk about anything not related, Arif Syakir. Okay. The rest, the girls that not tell me anything at the chat box. Are you okay? Are you understand? Okay, good. Alright, now everyone, if you say yes, 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 we see. Is it correct? Yes. Your yes to correct or not? Okay, now look at here. Okay, ready? Who answer wrong after this, that's mean you still not understand. If you say yes, yes like that. Teacher give you time to ask me. You understand or not? Okay, now, ready for the exercise. This one. 3576127. Who already enter, you help me to write the pin at the chat box. Thank you, Afif. Good. One person already enter. Should be 29. Thank you, Shahan. Who are these? Is it you, Aryan? Syahmi Aryan? Why you use your name like that? Okay. Afif Ulwan. Okay, ready? Mute, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everyone, look at to the question. 4 days, 7 hours, time 3. Very good. This is the direct question, easy. Just time, no need to convert. Good job, 6 of you. The keyword is just time, no need to convert. Very good, 8 of you. Good job. Good. 17, very good. Oh, I see at the here. Very good, 13 of you. Good job. But what happened to 11 of you? Very good. Now we have 2 girls here. Good job. Even your name not have at the top 5 here, but you still correct. Very good. Ishak number 3. Who are the number 2? Afi. Who are the winner? Yay! It's Dean. Good job, Dean. Okay, Dia and everyone. Okay, so everyone, thank you. Wait.